what's up YouTube? In today's video I have an issue with my truck, and hopefully by me sharing this information with you it helps you figure out your problem as well. So I have a problem with the AC where when I turn it on, the AC light will actually start to blink. The air is actually not cold. When I put my windows down, it makes a weird grinding noise. And so I have this light that keeps blinking here. So what I did was I ordered a new relay. This is actually the new one right here. And this is actually a part by Everco. It's FourSeasons. It's a 35874. It's an AC standard relay. So I'll show you exactly where this goes once I pop the hood there. All right, so here's the part number. It's made by FourSeasons. It's 35874. This is the old one and this is the new one. You can see how they're identical. And then what you're gonna do is check your fuse box, pop it open, and on the fuse box, it's actually this one right over here. Where is it at there? This magnetic clutch, and that goes right there. So I'm gonna get the new one, which is this one, and put it inside here, right over here, just like that. Push it down. And that should take care of the problem. So let me go ahead and put the cover back on, just like that. All right, just got done replacing the relay and the air is blowing nice and cold. As you can see here, the AC light is not blinking anymore. So I'm really happy. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.